Everyone, today we'll be taking Unit 2, Lesson 3, Animals Help Plants. Animals can help plants. How? Let's take an example. Bees can help flowers. Bees are animals that can help flowers, which are plants. Bees make honey. And honey comes from something called nectar, which is in the flower. The nectar is found in flowers. The flowers need nectar and pollen. The flowers need nectar and pollen to grow. The bees take nectar and pollen from the flowers. Only the bees can take nectar and pollen from the flowers by standing on it and taking it from the flowers. What does the bee do with it? It takes the nectar and do honey with it, and takes the pollen and gives it to another flowers to help them grow more, to help and make more flowers. That's how the bees help the flowers, by taking the pollen from flowers that have many pollen and giving it to another flower that needs more pollen, and that helps into growing more and more flowers. So how the bees help flower? Number 1, bees make honey, which is number 2. That comes from nectar, which is number 3, which is found in a flower, which is number 4. And the flower needs pollen, which is number 5, which is taken by the bees. And again, the bees makes the honey, and the honey comes from the nectar comes from the flower needs pollen, and the pollen is taken by the bees. This is how the bees constantly help the flowers. Now let's solve this worksheet. What's number 1? The bee. What's number 2? What does the bee make? Honey. What's number 3? Where does the honey come from? Nectar. Where does the nectar come from? The flower. What does the flower need? Number 5? Pollen. Thank you.